Greetings, dear Explorists. I'm so happy to welcome you on my channel. In this episode, we'll explore what is the law of assumption and its difference with the law of attraction, and how to make the law of assumption work for you and transform your lives. Welcome, you're watching Life Explorist, and our mission is to help you in your awakening process, one person at a time. Thanks to click on the like button and to leave us a comment. This triggers the YouTube algorithm and helps more people to find this content. On this channel, we base our content on teachings of the New Thought by teachers such as Neville Goddard, Napoleon Hill, Abraham Hicks, Rhonda Byrne, the author of The Secret, but also Sadhguru, Deepak Chopra, Dolores Cannon, Thomas Campbell, and others. We believe in the existence of a creator, but this belief is quite different from what is taught in Christianity and Abrahamic religions. Sometimes we may refer to the Bible, but this shouldn't disturb you or put you off, as, like in the famous quote from Morpheus in the movie The Matrix, you feel a bit like Alice in Wonderland, who fell deep in the hole of a white rabbit. You don't like the idea of not being at the steering wheel of your lives, and we are made to understand you. So what would you choose? Would you choose the red pill and we show you how deep the rabbit hole goes? We have explored for you the teachings of authors of a New Thought, and we are going to show you what is the law of attraction exactly and how does it work. We are living in a simulation, and we are here to help you awaken. You identify yourselves as a light being, source players, all soul, one of the 144,000. Whatever the name, if you are here, it's because you know you're different, and you're first to know how to take back control of your lives, and you can guarantee you that you will succeed if you're ready to take the red pill and do the work. Let's return to the main theme of this episode. What is the law of attraction, and how can you make it work for you? These terms form part of a movement called the New Thought. The New Thought got developed during the mid-19th century in the United States and still exists today. The New Thought, which should not be confused with New Age, regroups a number of organizations, thinkers, theologians, who share a series of metaphysical beliefs, positive thinking, the law of attraction, life force, creative visualization, and quantum healing and quantum physics. You have most probably seen or heard about the movie The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, who made the concept of the law of attraction popular nowadays. The law of attraction is a sort of strength of the mind, where you simply need to believe that the universe can attract to us, by the strength of your mind, all our wishes of riches, health, and personal relationships. The law of attraction is a form of pseudoscience. The law of assumption is a concept brought forward by the American author Neville Goddard, who was himself inspired by the teachings of an Ethiopian rabbi of the name of Abdullah. In the law of assumption, you can, like in the law of attraction, transform your lives through positive thinking, creative visualization, and affirmation. But instead of focusing on the universe or the vortex, it is on your interior that you focus your attention, by knowing that you're a powerful creator. In short, the law of attraction isn't that different from what is taught in the different Christian churches about faith. Having faith in a saint or in an external God, so that your wishes do come true. Law of attraction teachers Abraham Hicks and Rhonda Byrne replace God by the universe or the vortex. Neville Goddard takes a quite original route with the law of assumption, as you focus on your own powerful human imagination, which is the bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind, and doesn't know the difference between what is imaginary or real, and pushes out in your 3D reality whatever goes through your mind, like a sort of genie of a lamp. Are you still with me? You manifest all the time, whether you want it or not, and now you know that it works. You can take back control of your material lives in this three-dimensional world, which is a critical but non-compulsory part of your awakening and helps you to get free and get outside of the matrix. If you wake up every morning and complain about the coffee machine that isn't working, against traffic jams or public transport, or about the terrible day that you're going to go through, know that your subconscious mind, through your powerful human imagination that is fed by these thoughts, will simply push out all these in your 3D reality. Everything is you pushed out. Take back control of your lives using the law of assumption. You assume, for example, that you will have an excellent day, that your colleagues will congratulate or compliment you, or your kids will make you an enjoyable surprise, or this special person that isn't already in your lives will somehow wink at you. The world is you pushed out. The life isn't the truth, so stop being so serious about it. This life is a game, and the name of the game is experience. So you have no reason to be sad or poor, as you have, as a powerful creator, the power to transform it. I do not sell subscriptions or online courses. If you like this video, you're invited to make a voluntary donation. But what we can promise is that all our content on this channel will be free forever, to show you that we have tested this concept again and again, and to prove you that it works. Thank you so much to have stayed until the end. Don't forget to subscribe and to click on the like button to recommend this video to more people.